So now there is one error on the board, the version 1.6 board, which is that the power, the size of the power line to the ESP32 is rather too small for the current requirements of that module, and what that means is that the resistance of that trace that goes through the board from this regulator to the ESP32 is too high, and the voltage drop across it is too much to allow the ESP32 to function correctly. So it's necessary to put a piece of wire to supplement that current flow. It doesn't have to be a hugely thick piece of wire, this is probably a bit thicker than needed. This is an enamelled copper wire, so you can either, to remove the coating, which is necessary to allow us to solder to it, you can either try and effectively strip it as you would a piece of regular wire with some cutters like this, or some wire strippers if you have any. That'll get, you can see that, but that's removed some of the coating sufficiently that we can now solder to it, and the heat of the soldering iron will also help to remove the last bits. Now I haven't been using a fan to blow away the flux, but certainly if you were using this kind of material, it's a good idea. Flux as well is a bit acrid and probably not very good for your lungs, so I would strongly recommend that you use a fan. I do have one, which is my own kind of design on a PC, a standard PC fan, with the speed control just disconnected and the thermistor shorted together so it goes as fast as possible. But the reason I'm not using it is it's a bit noisy, and you probably wouldn't be able to hear me at all if I was using that. So, but I would recommend using something like that just to blow the smoke away. And you can get ones with filters on eBay or wherever, which are probably well worth the investment.